Welcome back to Power Drive. This is the 2025 Sandalwood Rickshaw, a revolutionary, fully electric, smart, and futuristic vehicle designed for the modern age. It's not just a simple idea. This rickshaw represents the future of urban transportation. Today, we'll take a deep dive into its design, performance, advanced features, and how it performs in real-world driving conditions. Buckle up, because this ride is unlike anything you've ever seen before. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Sandalwood Rickshaw is built using aerospace-grade aluminum combined with bamboo fiber, making it both lightweight and durable. The aerodynamic shape not only enhances its efficiency but also gives it a sleek, futuristic look. The name Sandalwood comes from its eco-friendly wooden-inspired interior, which blends technology with sustainability. At the front, it features ultra-bright LED headlights that provide superior visibility during night driving. The auto-sensor doors open with just a touch, giving a premium feel. A 360-degree camera system offers a complete view of the surroundings, making parking and navigation easier. At the back, it has digital number displays and integrated smart speakers that provide automated voice alerts to other drivers, a safety feature that sets it apart from traditional rickshaws. Under the hood, the 2025 Sandalwood Rickshaw is powered by 100% electric battery. This advanced powertrain delivers a range of up to 500 kilometers on a single charge, yet an industry-leading figure for electric rickshaws. The battery capacity is 20 kilowatt-hours, and it supports fast charging, allowing it to charge up to 80% in just 30 minutes. No more long waits for recharging. It comes with 3 driving modes: Eco, Standard, and Sport. Eco mode prioritizes battery efficiency, perfect for city driving. Standard mode balances performance and efficiency, while Sport mode gives you a power boost, reaching a maximum speed of 80 km per hour. This makes it a versatile vehicle suitable for both urban commutes and longer rides. One of its standout features is the regenerative braking system. Every time you brake, the system captures energy and sends it back to the battery, enhancing the overall range. This not only saves energy but also reduces wear and tear on the braking system, extending its lifespan. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a modern, tech-packed interior. The Smart Touch dashboard is your command center, providing real-time information on speed, battery life, and navigation. With voice command integration, you can control essential functions without lifting a finger. Just say the word, and the rickshaw responds instantly. It also features Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to stay connected on the go. For passenger comfort, the seating is designed with premium cushioning, offering a smooth and relaxed ride. Whether it's a short city trip or a longer journey, this rickshaw prioritizes comfort and convenience. The automatic climate control system adjusts temperature settings according to weather conditions, ensuring a pleasant environment throughout the ride. When it comes to safety, the 2025 Sandalwood Rickshaw goes above and beyond. It includes an AI-based safety system equipped with multiple advanced features. The automatic emergency braking system detects obstacles and applies brakes to prevent collisions. The lane departure warning system alerts the driver if they unintentionally drift out of their lane. Additionally, the Smart Parking Assist helps you park seamlessly in tight spaces using the 360-degree cameras. The anti-theft electronic lock adds an extra layer of protection, allowing you to secure your rickshaw via a smartphone app. If unauthorized access is detected, the vehicle automatically locks itself and sends an alert to your phone. But how does it perform on actual roads? During our test, the 2025 Sandalwood Rickshaw demonstrated outstanding stability, even on rough terrains. The advanced suspension system absorbs shocks effortlessly, ensuring a smooth ride on bumpy roads. In city traffic, its compact design makes navigation through congested areas incredibly easy. The quick acceleration and responsive handling make it feel like a significant upgrade over traditional rickshaws. Another key highlight is the noise-free operation. Being an electric vehicle, it produces zero engine noise, contributing to a quieter and more peaceful urban environment. Plus, with zero emissions, It's an eco-friendly solution that aligns with the global push for sustainable transportation. As for pricing and availability, the 2025 Sandalwood Rickshaw is expected to hit the market by mid-2025. The starting price is estimated to be around PKR 800,000, making it an affordable yet futuristic option for both personal and commercial use. With rising fuel costs and environmental concerns, this electric rickshaw offers a cost-effective and sustainable alternative to conventional options. So, is this the future of urban mobility? With its cutting-edge technology, impressive performance, and environmental benefits, the 2025 Sandalwood Rickshaw is undoubtedly a game-changer. It not only redefines the way we perceive rickshaws but also sets new standards for comfort, safety, and sustainability. Do you think this electric rickshaw has what it takes to replace traditional auto rickshaws? Share your thoughts in the comments and let us know your opinion.